Hello friends, this is Raman Gill from tradingwithvenus.com. Today we are starting a new segment called Trade of the Week. In this segment, every week I will bring to you one trade idea that you can look at for the week. Just a quick disclaimer before we get started. This is for educational purposes only. If you choose to follow this trade idea, I recommend you do that on your demo account. For this week, the trade of the week will be short CAD yen position. One very important thing about the CAD yen here is last week we had Bank of Canada Governor Poloz who spoke, and his speech was bearish for the Canadian dollar. He talked about potential interest rate cuts, and because of that we saw a big drop in the Canadian dollar. In this trade setup here we see that the price has gone up. It's done a double top here, and the second one is lower than the first one, and now price has dropped. So the key thing that has happened over the weekend here for CAD yen is that the price has broken through this level 85.50 level here, and that was our key support and resistance area. As you can see over here, this is where we are getting that support and resistance area. Now in this CAD yen trade, first we broke through the neckline here, and now we are below this support and resistance area. So in this case, it has also broken this previous low here, which suggests that the trade is likely to go lower. The trigger to get into this trade would be a strong close below this 85.50 level here. Currently price is holding below 85.50 level. We need to see a close below this level, preferably on a 4-hour or a 1-hour chart. Once we can see a good bearish close below 85.50 level, that would be a trigger to enter the trade. And the target for this trade would be 83.80 level here. Again, our target is coming from this support and resistance level. This was a big draw for Canadian dollar previously, and this is where I would expect the trade to experience some trouble. In terms of our stop loss, this is a good level for our stop loss, which is 86.80. We want the stop loss to be a little bit higher so the trade has room to breathe. In that case, our stop could go at 87 level. So our potential entry is a hold below 85.50. Our take profit would be at 83.80 level, and our stop loss at 8700. So this is a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio trade. Hope you enjoyed this trade. Just a quick disclaimer here, this is for educational purposes only, and I recommend you take this in your demo account if you're going to trade this. I'll see you next time.